there, high schooler. If you're thinking of taking any of the pre-college courses highlighted and promoted on prelum.org, here's what you need to know. These courses are not your typical classroom lectures. They feature over 100 dynamic videos instructed by accomplished professors from top universities. In each video, the professor hosts leading industry experts, professionals, and researchers, and even students to weigh in on the most interesting topics. Throughout the videos in the course, you'll get instruction from the professors asynchronously, and you'll also be able to reach out to your mentors, people like me, for support and answering questions throughout the course to help you also brainstorm for your final project. Each course will have discussion boards where you can engage with other students in your cohort, and when you finish the course, you will receive a certificate of completion that you can include on your college applications. The courses will include interactive simulations, demos, activities, experiments, and tours depending on the course's subject, quizzes to help you test what you've learned, and even insider tips on future careers in your journey to and through college. This is the kind of valuable experience and resources you won't be exposed to in high school. You can choose when to take the course, all from the convenience of your home.